there, so it looks like you're interested in making a leotard. Here are the supplies you will need and also the type of machines. These are the supplies that you need to make a leotard. Elastic, I use 3/8 of an inch. A rotary cutter. If you don't use a rotary cutter, then you will need fabric scissors. However, if you do use a rotary cutter, you do need this board right here. Thread, this is all-purpose, or you can use a woolly nylon. A seam ripper, because you know you could possibly mess up. I mess up a lot. A little tiny ruler, I forget the exact name for this. And a clear ruler. I use a heavyweight to put on my pattern when I'm cutting my fabric. However, you can also use pins on the edges to pin your pattern to your fabric. I don't do that because it takes a long time and I save time, but if you're a beginner, this might be a good thing to do. And of course, you need fabric, a 4-way stretch fabric, and patterns. This is option 1. It is a standard at-home sewing machine. You just need to make sure that it does a zigzag stitch and also a straight stitch that is stretch. The second option will make it look more professional. It's what I use, and beginners can use this as well. It's a Coverstitch and a Serger. Now that you know what you need to make a leotard, check out my other videos so you can learn how to make a leotard. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to my channel.